test our pipeline using the small dataset provided with the repository that you can download with getdata.sh. Its content will be placed in the data directory. We will provide to the pipeline the input path and the pattern to recognize the paired end reads, so it's a good idea to test the pattern with ls first. Finally, let's ensure that we have the Conda environment active, or let's activate it. We can now run the workflow with Nextflow run, the name of the workflow, and then the parameters that in our case are the reads pattern and the output directory. We can now follow the execution of all the steps. And when the execution is terminated, we can have a look at the output directory.